Today, I'm going to be talking about StashAway, a popular robo-advisor. I've been using StashAway for a while now, and I've been really happy with it. So, I wanted to share my experience with you and answer the question, how much is StashAway monthly? Before I get into the specifics of StashAway's pricing, I want to give you a quick overview of what StashAway is. StashAway is a robo-advisor that helps you invest your money. It uses algorithms to create a personalized investment portfolio for you based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. StashAway is a great option for people who are new to investing or who don't have a lot of time to manage their investments. StashAway's pricing. StashAway has 3 different pricing tiers. Basic. The basic tier is free. There is no minimum investment required, and you can invest as little as $1. However, the basic tier does not have access to all of StashAway's features. Growth. The growth tier costs $1 per month. There is a minimum investment of $1,000 required. The growth tier gives you access to all of StashAway's features, including the ability to create custom portfolios and get personalized advice from StashAway's financial advisors. Premium. The premium tier costs $3 per month. There is a minimum investment of $5,000 required. The premium tier gives you access to all of StashAway's features, as well as access to a dedicated financial advisor. In addition to the monthly fee, StashAway also charges a management fee of 0.5% per year. So, how much does StashAway cost per month? The answer to this question depends on which pricing tier you choose. If you choose the basic tier, StashAway will cost you nothing per month. If you choose the growth tier, StashAway will cost you $1 per month. And if you choose the premium tier, StashAway will cost you $3 per month. In addition to the monthly fee, StashAway also charges a management fee of 0.5% per year. This means that if you have $10,000 invested in StashAway, you will pay $50 in management fees each year. So, is StashAway worth it? I think StashAway is a great value for the price. It's a simple and easy-to-use way to invest your money. And, with its low fees, it's a great option for people who are just starting out with investing. Thank you for watching.